Welcome back, Poke People. We got a quick one for you today. Basically, I bought into a mystery box and 2 packs of Crimson Invasion from the same stream. That stream is Esh Katchum. Check him out. His link will be in the description below. And let's see what we pulled. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and ring that notification bell. And away we go. Let's start off with our Crimson Invasion Sun and Moon era packs, and we will see what we were able to get. So you have the Starmie Rare and the Reverse Hollow with an Execute. Pretty cool looking cards. We have the next is Staraptor and Swablu Reverse. No hollows, just the reverse on that one. Here's the code card for you guys, and second code card from those packs. And we'll quickly just go through the commons and uncommons. Nothing crazy here. We do have an Amoga, Swablu, Swinub, Numo, more Execute, and a Carablast. Haven't seen that card before, and a Graveler. And those are the 2 energies, so that's pretty much it. Nothing too exciting there. But for our mystery box, we were able to get some loose cards, which we'll go through now. So this is a Meowth promo. However, you can see that it's in pretty rough shape. You know, it is what it is. Then a Kabutops Japanese Hollow, also in pretty rough shape. You can see up at the edge of the card there was a little bit of whitening. We have a Reverse Hollow Tauros, Spiral Energy, Surfetched. We have a Nose Pass Reverse, Muck, Mantine Reverse, Mantine, Cinderace Hollow, Phanpy Reverse. We have Executor, non-hollow, and a Mewtwo from Darkness Ablaze. Looks pretty cool. This is the pack art that we got, and Aerodactyl. And we'll go through these vintage cards one by one. So we have a Sandslash, pretty good condition, a little bit of whitening at the top there. Ghastly, Arbok, and Grimer. We have a Krabby, a Shelder, Geodude, Cycle, and a Gambler. That's exactly what I was during this box break. And finally, our non-hollow box. Pretty sure those scratches are on the card saver and not the actual card, because it was packed fresh when we got it. And finally, the last item is a PSA graded card. It is an Aerodactyl. Sorry about the focus there. That'll get better in a second. We're going to take a look at the back. Nothing too bad there. And it is a 3. It is a PSA 3 vintage Aerodactyl from Fossil. Not sure why anyone would grade this card in that condition, but it is what it is. Thank you so much for watching, everybody, and until next time, peace out.